The beginning of cryptographic forms of money denoted a progressive time in the realm of money. The flexible scope of cryptographic forms of money offers a plenty of benefits to financial backers. The prestigious cryptographic forms of money like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Wave, Litecoin, and so on had their own advantage temporary fad to advance. In any case, they're actually snuck a test of openness, straightforwardness, and gigantic exchange charges. Allow us to have a speedy look at the ongoing cost and subtleties of BCH and comprehend the Bitcoin money cost expectation for what's in store. This was properly tended to by Bitcoin money's introduction to the world, represented by BCH in mid-2017 by a gathering of designers. They understood that the colossal capability of Bitcoin could be additionally saddled ideally through a hard fork, subsequently expanding the block size limit. So on August 1, 2017, BCH started its life. Bitcoin money specialized investigation, figuring out the nitty-gritties. A profound infiltration into the statistical data points of Bitcoin money has a by and large unique story to uncover, notwithstanding having enormous future outcomes, additionally potential, and commitments of conveying forward a 8 megabytes block size. The token has many motivations to work harder to coordinate to its size opposite its rivals. A significant explanation, consequently, is that the two financial backers and diggers side with the parent Bitcoin. BCH is using pretty much 2.1% of its block limit. Aside from that, the specialized rejig could likewise be expected to bring back the cost sheen. The engineers required a ton of redoing to show greater readiness in rolling out revolutionary improvements to the undertaking's essentials. This could assist with pushing the BCH cost and market cap to new highs. Nonetheless, the value history of Bitcoin money, thinking back, has not been offering too much. It has stayed unstable and unequivocally connected with the general market situation. On December 20, 2017, not long after its creation, a solitary Bitcoin money had a worth of more than $4,000 and the cost expanded. It looks astounding that the coin has begun losing cash quickly and saw today cost drop from that astonishing level definitely. Retail financial backer records lose cash while exchanging spread wagers and are perplexing instruments. In August 2017, mining and opponent coins made this Bitcoin Cash cryptographic money skip to an enormous level. The typical cost expanded with more than a $9 billion market cap. Many began seeing this as a contender as opposed to a posterity or a hard fork of Bitcoin. However, a resulting revision cut statements by practically 30%. In November, the following period of development started. Against the foundation of the arrival of true programming and posting on top trades, the coin began a cost recuperation, making a notable high of $430 with a market cap being $70 billion. In any case, from the very outset of this current year, the Bitcoin cost has been making predictable development. The improvement of developments and conventions has a ton to thank at this symbolic cost flood. A few specialized errors were dependable over the span of the mining and an out-and-out presentation of new programming that went ruin. This is supposed to be liable for the descending twisting from the BCH at first in 2017 until it dropped to these years. As per estimated Bitcoin money cost examination, Bitcoin money cost could drift least cost around $106 toward 2023 in the couple of the following months in. As per Guaj Bitcoin money cost, it is by all accounts showing a vertical pattern. The bulls will push the cost up like other crypto Goliaths as well. It's uplifting news for its financial backers. According to BCH value expectation, it can generally ultimately depend on $266.80 as most extreme cost in 1 year. Bitcoin money gauge is by all accounts showing negative opinion. It might dishearten its financial backers cruising scarcely at $68.70 as least cost toward 2023 of every 1 year's end. As indicated by the crucial investigation and cost figure, regardless of its reception, the BCH coin will generally confront heat till January 2023. Going by Bitcoin money cost expectations that bulls might be back, the cash ought to wind up around $188. Bitcoin money ABC got enrolled in the Gemini trade, drove by the Winklevoss siblings, with NYDFS endorsement. Additionally, the quantity of exchanges for Bitcoin money appeared to be developing dramatically. Bitcoin ABC and Bitcoin SV didn't figure out how to acquire a lot of prominence. In any case, both of these coins are as yet accessible in each significant digital money trade. Bitcoin money value forecast 2023. Going by concentrating on present moment and long-haul BCH cost drifts, the coin's cost has been deviating from its way typically every 2 or 3 years. In the principal half of 2023, the Bitcoin money cost forecast 2023 is said to arrive at the base cost of $105 and $275 as the greatest cost in the final part. Sooner rather than later, probable. The finish of 2022 or the start of the year 2023 may not be ideal for heightened, particularly with rivals getting up to speed intensity or markets messing around. As per Bitcoin Money Cost Forecast 2023, there is an anticipated possibility of Bitcoin Money causing a slight recuperation. However, at the year end of 2023, BCH cost will recapture its lost energy and crosses the $250 mark. Bitcoin Money Value Forecast 2024. There is no such thing as expressing that a stunning chance and that bulls will ride the crypto market. It is normal that Bitcoin Money will lead the crypto market with an exhibition cost fixed around $300 in the long term. In the primary portion of 2024, the Bitcoin Money Value Forecast is said to arrive at the base cost of $250 and $350 as the most extreme cost in the final part. Bitcoin Money has the maximum capacity to support and reliably fill even in unfriendly circumstances. According to our BCH cost forecast, there will be a radical change in the Bitcoin Money cost gauge when contrasted with the ongoing cost. Bitcoin Money Value Expectation 2025. Assuming the BCH cost endures over the extreme long haul and mass reception gets number, it is definitely conceivable that Bitcoin Money will be actually worth 100x more than its until recently all-time high in view of our BCH cost forecast. In the primary portion of 2025, the Bitcoin Money Value Expectation is said to arrive at the base cost of $352 and $440 as the most extreme cost in the last part. That would mean, as per Bitcoin Money Cost Forecast, it would cost $445 in 2025 continuously Zen. Nonetheless, this sort of hopeful assumption comes from two preconditions. 1. Bitcoin keeps on incredible assumptions. 2. Markets stay as good as usual. Bitcoin Money Value Expectation 2026. In light of our own examination and Bitcoin Money Cost Estimate, the BCH cost expectation for the year 2026 is $510. BCH conjecture helps in effective financial planning brilliantly. In the principal half of 2026, the Bitcoin Money Value Forecast is said to arrive at the base cost of $480 and $540 as the most extreme cost in the final part. Bitcoin Money Value Forecast 2027. As indicated by Bitcoin Cash Cost Expectation, defeating the pandemic will assist with doing a ton for the market feeling of Bitcoin Money. Ready for a rise. Bitcoin Money Cost, as well, will parallelly run with Bitcoin on a similar bullish pattern. In the primary, around 50% of the Bitcoin Money Value Expectation is said to arrive at the base cost of $520 and $590 as the most extreme cost in the last part. Bitcoin Money Value Expectation 2028. As indicated by the BCH cost expectations, the symbolic will have least, normal and most extreme costs of around $585, $615, and $645 separately. Bitcoin Money Value Forecast 2029. Taking a gander at the BCH expectations, the coin will exchange a scope of $650 to $750 where the previous is the most minimal cost for the year and the last option is the greatest cost. Simultaneously, the typical cost for the whole year might be around $700 for 2029. Bitcoin Money Value Expectation 2030. In 2030, the symbolic will have developed brilliantly from where it stands today. According